We are outside Slikhaar studio, so I have Emil here, my brother, twin brother actually.
Are you kidding me?
So you're going for a fresh trim?
I think right now we look a little bit too much alike with the long hair. So I decided to go to the studio and get the sides trimmed to a very short length. And I think also the top will be very short compared to this. So
that's fine, Nicoline. She's inside. Cheers! So Nicoline, you're gonna cut Emil's hair today?
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
I just told the viewers that I'm going for a very short hairstyle. So
yeah.
I think the inspiration from the early Ryan Gosling hairstyles from... and Emmy, she agrees?
Yes.
Yes. We're going for 6 millimeters in the sides, and
yeah.
I think half the length. So I said a little bit Ryan Gosling inspired and super summer fresh. Are you up for it?
I'm up for it. Let's do it.
So now Nicoline has cut my hair. Thank you, Nicoline. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I got my hair short and now I would like to show you how to style it. I'll show you some simple steps. Today I'll use the SIDEKICK Zero and I'll use the new Zero Wax. First I blow dry the hair with the SIDEKICK Zero serum, SIDEKICK Zero spray. I use about 14 pumps. The reason why I use the pre-styling spray is to have an increased volume and control over the hair. The Zero spray has an anti-frizz ingredient, so it will be very nice and smooth. When you blow dry your hair, remember to dry it all. Also when I start in the front, but it's to manage the bangs, and from the back you need to make sure it's all dried as well. That's a point, and that's a spot many men forget when they blow dry. Finish off the blow drying with the cold settings, because when you apply heat to the hair straws, it opens up, and when you apply cold air, will lock the hair style. And as you can see, the hairstyle is almost done, but I need to seal the deal with some wax. We are soon releasing the Zero Wax, so here we have it. It's 53% organic. It's free of perfume and also 0 parabens, and as I said, 53% organic. And it's a beeswax based hair product with aloe vera, shea butter, and a lot of good stuff. As you can see, I'm just playing around with the hair. There's a lot of good options. It allows it to go in different shapes without breaking or anything. So right now you can see, yeah, that's fresh and it's a little bit messy. Their hairstyle is done, and the styling, I hope you liked it. As you can see, there was a lot of different options when you have applied the hair product. Here I have the messy look, and I'm just ready to go out and have fun. I hope you guys like it. Please comment in the comment section down below for your chance to win the giveaway. Remember, you have to subscribe to the channel and write a comment. Let us know why you should win. See you.